And thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today is November 5th, and on this post, I'm going to be talking about the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin price action, total altcoin price action, and of course, Numeraire token, NMRUSD. I'm going to be sharing my bullish and bearish case scenarios for this token, as well as the short-term price prediction, according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, if you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be coming out with the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US. I will also receive bonus stocks after you finish your setup, so I truly appreciate that. Now, please do also read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice. I cannot tell the future. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. But let me know what you guys are trading, what you guys are following. I will see if I can get a chance to share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now, let's take a look at what exactly is going on in the markets today. In the markets today, overall, we're seeing quite a bit of gains. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance is trending up again, and Bitcoin price action is trending up. Total altcoin market cap up about 2%, but it's still trailing the moves of Bitcoin. So we are going to see how that affects any specific altcoins in general, but we are seeing some amazing gains in a few of the altcoins like Uniswap, Band Protocol, even VThor right here. But we're not seeing any gains on Numeraire itself today. It does seem like the last 3-day candle, we already had a little bit of a upward price action, but today we're actually pulling back a little bit. So we're going to take a look into Bitcoin dominance first and see how that affects the market. We are currently at about 65.7%. We have almost got to about 66% earlier in the day, but we are up about 1.43% currently. I have discussed that if we are trending up on Bitcoin dominance, I am expecting more money. I'm expecting to see more money to be trending into Bitcoin rather than the total altcoin market cap as a whole. So a lot of altcoins in general, I think, are going to be trailing the moves of Bitcoin. That is not to say that specific altcoins are still going to get amazing moves upwards, such as the ones I have actually just mentioned right now. But total altcoin market cap as a whole, as you guys can see, is trending below Bitcoin. So I'm going to be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin price action, before jumping into any specific altcoins in general. Okay, but currently on Bitcoin price action itself, I have mentioned that we are going to be running up above 14K after we break that 14K resistance level, and now we're about 15K. I don't expect any major resistance until 16K itself, in that range, and then a pullback before anything else happens. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin itself, okay? But on the total altcoin market cap, we are up about 2.13% as I'm speaking, and we are still above that weekly 21 simple moving average level, which is very important in my perception. As long as we are above that weekly 21 simple moving average level, we are still in a uptrend for the altcoins. Now let's take a look at Numeraire itself. What have Numeraire been doing? Well, not much. We are still running in this falling wedge pattern. We had tried to break out about 3 days on this last 3-day candle, but got rejected at about $28, about $29. So we are continuing down this falling wedge pattern. So according to what I'm seeing right now, falling wedge pattern is about 68% chance of breaking upwards. If we actually do break out within the next 1 or 2 3-day candles later, this is the 3-day charts. If we actually break out within the next about 6 to 9 days, my measured target would be about $48.70. Now that is the measured target. It may or may not be reached. It's textbook theory. So do keep that in mind. That is a 68% chance of breaking upwards. If the price action stays within this falling wedge and the breakout is delayed, we're just going to have to move the measured target down according to the expected delay in the breakout, okay? So the bullish case scenario, as I've just mentioned, if we actually break out above this falling wedge pattern, and we will have to adjust the measure target according to when we actually break out. So right now the measure target is if we actually expect to break out within the next 6 to 9 days. But if it does not, then we're going to have to move the measure target lower. If we actually break out before then we will have to move the measure target higher. So that is the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, well, I got two of them. The first one would be if we actually continue trending down this falling wedge pattern, and then the next price point I actually predict is about $20.60 if we do not break out within the next 3 to 6 days. So we could see about $20.60. We're just going to have to keep extrapolating the bottom trend line to see where the next price point is if price action continues down this falling wedge pattern. Now the other bearish case scenario, which we have to acknowledge, because I do not want to act unexpectedly. I want to anticipate what could potentially happen before going into any altcoins itself. So the other bearish pattern would be if we actually break below this bottom trend line, and that'd be bad news because then that means we're going to see faster downward price action and more intense downward price action if we actually break below this trend line, the bottom trend line. So that is something to be keeping in mind of. These are my bullish and bearish case scenarios. So I hope you guys have found this post helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Leave me any comments, feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Manage your risk carefully, and I'll see you next time.